Hi, my name is Maria Gabriela Pinzon. I am 21 years old. I'm from Bogota, Colombia. I was born on July 15 in 1997. I am in sixth semester of Industrial Engineer in Pontificia Universidad Javeriana. My mother's name is Marta. She's counter. My father's name is Freddy. I don't have any siblings. I live with my uncles, my cousin Felipe, and my pet Luna. My cousin Felipe is a football player. He really liked to spending time training. My pet Luna is a Cocker Spaniel, and she is 6 years old. My aunt Sandra is a professional chef, and her husband Mauricio is economist. In my free time, I like to go to the cinema, spend time with my friends, go to dance, mm, and that's it. My favorite food is sushi and hamburger. My favorite colors are blue and red. In my future, I would like to create my own enterprise of shoes and clothes. And that's it. Bye.